To set up the secure folder for Motorola Moto G86 5G, first of all, you will need to find the Motorola folder on your home screen or just look for Moto Secure app on your device. Then when you find it, open it, move to the secure folder right here, and then click on Continue. Move through the steps and click on Login. Log into your Google account. Then you need to choose a log method for your secure folder. So pick one from those three options. In this case, I'm going to go for a pattern. And here we have our secure folder set up. What you can do next is, let's skip everything here, it doesn't matter. Then you can add certain things to your secure folder, like specific apps or specific files, so you can hide your files and apps in that secure folder. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.